Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to set automatic layout on iPhone in iOS 15. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Turn off location services and screen time. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap privacy. On the privacy page, tap location services. Turn off location services. Turn off. Then go back setting page, tap screen time, scroll down, turn off screen time, again turn off screen time. Tip number 2. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap journal. On the journal page, scroll down, tap shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Thanks for watching this video.